birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bodhi. Happy birthday to you. What is it? What is it? Do you know how to open a present yet? Maybe you should pull. Go ahead and pull. Here. Pull it. Pull it. Grab it. Pull. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. It's okay. Nash, get down. Pull the button. Go ahead. No, no, no. Go to here. Look. Look. Nash, get down. You got a ribbon. Okay, Bodhi. What's in the box? Bodhi. I know you like to smash boxes. You ready? Yay! What's in it? Bodhi, what's in here? What's in here? What is it? Nash, go outside. What's inside, Bodhi? Let's peel it. Go ahead.
Yeah.
What's that? What is that? What is it?
Is he afraid of it?
Hold on. I think so. He caught him. He wasn't expecting that. What's it do? What is it? I see a tummy. What is it?
That's funny.
What's inside, Bodhi? Ooh, it's a puppy. It's a puppy, and it's got a hand. I think we need to turn a battery on, or turn the switch on. I don't know if there's batteries in or not. Let's see, Bodhi. Daddy will do surgery on him real quick. Hold on. I know you're squirming. I think we got the batteries in there.
Okay.
It's a puppy. It's a puppy, Bodhi. Here. Oh, wait, wait. He's alive. Maybe we don't. That's his hand. Nash, come. I think his batteries are
Dying.
close to dead. Yeah, or dead. Let me check. On. I'll turn all the way up. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we gotta get new batteries. There you go, Bodhi. What is it? Tummy. Oh. Yellow foot. It's a puppy. You want to play with the puppy? Touch his heart. How about his tummy? Yay! Let's try his ear. There you go. You want to get down and play with it? Here. Dance, Bodhi. Nash. There you go. Nash. Go ahead, Bodhi. He loves you, Bodhi.